Here's how to convert M4A audio to WAV audio or waveform audio. So we're going from M4A to WAV, and we can drag in our M4A to this awesome file converter called ConvertSave. And then all we have to do is select the output. We want to go to WAV and hit convert, and it will save it right next to wherever that file came from. And so this is super quick and simple because I wanted it to be, because I created this with my brother who's a software developer, and we just built ConvertSave and released it. And it's a offline file converter, so no uploading or downloading to any weird websites or servers. It also works for images, video, and audio, and it works for Windows and Mac. So I'm on Mac right now, but it also works for Windows. And I wanted it to be the most efficient, just simplest, quickest way we could convert files. I've worked with multimedia files for 15 plus years, and I always have to convert something and send it to some weird place online, right? And only be able to do a couple, have to download them to the downloads folder, and then have to go figure out where they all go, and everything gets real messy. Well, this thing just keeps it nice and streamlined. We also have these advanced options, so if you wanted to, you could come in here and choose your custom conversion commands for this specific conversion, M4A to WAV. And we're going to see what tool is getting used, so you know what types of options to put in here. So you know what types of options to put in here. You can do that down here with your custom options, custom commands, but you might not know what they are. So we put this options builder in here where you can actually just kind of toggle on and off different things, make selections, put in some values, volume, bit rate, trimming, metadata, all kinds of stuff in here. And it generates the commands for you. So you don't have to actually know how to write these things. And then you can just apply those custom commands. And now this is your default command, default conversion, if you will, and conversion options. And so once you hit done on that, it's going to show up here. You're using a custom command, and you can hit convert, and you can just drag and drop. And anytime that you bring in like an M4A file and you're going to go to WAV, it'll use that custom command. You can always go back to the defaults pretty easily, but that's as simple as I can make it, pretty much. And we're adding a lot more user-friendly features. I think some of those, even you can build out your own commands, but they're not even completely user-friendly yet. I think we can get even better with that. We have some image editor things that we're adding that's going to be really cool and make that even more user-friendly too. I appreciate you guys' support. Let me know if you check it out. Just hit me up in the comments down here on this video. And I don't know if I said it, but you can go to convertsave.com or just click the link in the description or the pinned comment down there. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.